Shrikand is a sweet Gujarati dish. It's eaten with puris or chapatis. Let's place sugar in the mixing bowl. Cover with lid and measuring cup. Turbo 2 seconds twice. Add the frozen raspberry and blend 30 seconds speed 10. Scrape down the mixing bowl sides and assemble the butterfly onto the blade. Place the thick Greek yogurt on each side of the butterfly. Whip 30 seconds, speed 3.5 twice. This is the texture we are looking for. So creamy. Look at this lovely color. There we have it, our Raspberry Shrikand. It's so yummy.